How to close SBI fixed deposit online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can close the SBI fixed deposit online. So let's go on with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to close the fixed deposit online of the SBI, these are the process you may follow. Head over to the SBI website, just type in retail.onlinesbi.com and you'll be taken to this page with your SBI account. So you're just gonna log in into your SBI. So you're just gonna log into SBI online banking application using your login details. After that, you'll be taken to this page. You'll be finding this page. So if you want to close your fixed deposit online, when you log in into your account, you'll be finding the fixed deposit option at the fourth. When you click on it, you'll be finding this ETDR/E-STDR. So that's your fixed deposit account. So click on the very first option, that is, and after clicking on it, you'll be taken to this page. And then you just click on this proceed option. And then just click on this proceed option again, and after clicking on proceed option, you'll be finding this option called close account prematurely at the above side of your fixed deposit. So just click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll just need to click on your account again, the fixed deposit account that you want to close. After that, click selecting it. After selecting it, just click on proceed, and after proceeding with the process, you need to enter a remarks here. So you may just enter your remarks here. After that, confirm it, and after confirming it, for security reasons, you need to enter your password here. Just enter your password, confirm it, and then you will be your STD, your fixed deposit account of the STD bank, will be closed permanently from online, just like that. So follow the same process in order to close your fixed deposit online account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.